It's from Granny Polly and Bumper, that one is.
Yes. It was enormous because it was a bit too heavy. Look, it's baby elephant! It's baby elephant! Daddy's baby elephant!
Do you have a message for Granny Polly and Bumper? Do you want to say thank you? Amelia, look, if you say thank you to the camera, I can send this to them and they can see it. So what do you want to say?
Thank you for this present. I love it. It wasn't what I wanted, but it was what I like.